Yes, Miss T, I will definitely take a look now. What about Jim? Did you find him? It's strange. Okay, try to find him as soon as possible and protect him from rash actions. I'm very worried about him, especially with this cat. Well, Garfield. Good afternoon, my dear friends. Miss T just sent me some very interesting pictures. Some of them are photographs that Jim sent her. The other part are photographs from classified archives, which she managed to get somehow. Well, after all, see for yourself. Well, friends, do you see? You understand? Why, this is a real sensation. It turns out that my hypothesis that there are many siren heads and his relatives finds another confirmation. Okay, so that you can better understand this and visually familiarize yourself with the discovered remains of siren heads, I am now sculpting them. And then you will have the opportunity to carefully examine them from all sides. And of course, don't forget about the greetings at the end of the video. Who will be lucky this time? Yes, and more. Do not forget to subscribe if you want to keep abreast of the events taking place in my plasticine kingdom. After subscribing to my wonderful channel, you firstly do not miss my new videos, and secondly you will help me in the development of the channel, which means that you will do a good deed both for yourself and for me. And by the way, when you subscribe, do not forget to press the bell and select all. So let's get started. Here's what I learned from various sources. Archaeological excavations have shown amazing data. It turns out that we can say that in prehistoric times lived at least 2 tribes of siren heads. Scientists, archaeologists and anthropologists, in collaboration with artists, have reconstructed the appearance of the ancient siren heads. I still do not have all the materials in order to sculpt high-quality models of these siren heads, who lived tens and hundreds of thousands of years ago. Hopefully, in the near future, I will receive these materials and can provide you with exclusive reconstructions of the fossil siren heads. What did we see in the photos? The bones of siren heads are next to the bones of their victims, from which we conclude that siren heads lived in the same period with the ancient people, and moreover, they ate these ancient people. Did they eat other living things? I think yes, they did. Because next to the remnants of siren heads, we also find the remnants bones of other animals, including the bones of dinosaurs. And this is very important. From this follows the fact that siren heads appeared on Earth long before the appearance of humans. And then an absolutely amazing thought occurred to me. We know that dinosaurs became extinct at the end of the Mesozoic era, or to be more precise, in the Cretaceous. And now we know for sure that siren heads lived simultaneously with the dinosaurs. So maybe this is the reason of the death of the dinosaurs. How could I not have guessed before? Well, of course, all the dinosaurs were destroyed by siren heads. I think the siren heads partly ate the dinosaurs, and the rest simply could not stand the competition and became extinct. Here's an unexpected twist, thanks to just a few discoveries. And what will happen next? There are the remnants. You can carefully examine them from all sides. I have specially provided them with appropriate inscriptions so that you can figure out what this or that bone is. I deliberately put the word bone in quotation marks, because in fact some of the displayed artifacts are not bones at all in the usual sense. That is, these parts of siren heads can be called rather details, like parts of mechanisms or assemblies. In general, as I promised, in the nearest future I will make these very siren heads, the remains of which you can see today in my video.
And that's all for today. Thanks to everybody.
Hope to see you soon.
Horrormaker.